biggest thing about Ohio is the ground has so much nutrients, and we have so much water. Ohio's loaded with water. Even though we follow California's rules, as far as our water closets, what they can use to flush and all that, Ohio has an overabundance. And which is also neat is we're right on the Continental Divide. The ditch that runs that side of the farm flows north to the lake. And the ditch that's just on the other side of this road flows south. This is where the issue is. Boston with butter lettuce, Biv. Endive, escarole, frisee.
You guys do frisee, huh? Is there any we do that around here?
We also do Ruby parsley, Italian parsley, and cilantro. Cilantro you can smell. Because in California and Mexico, it's the same. So if they weren't putting nutrients in the ground, you'd get this little spindly plant, and that's it. It would be tasteless, it would just be a leafy thing. So they're constantly putting nutrients in that sand. Sand won't hold a nutrient either. It just, every time it rains or whatnot, it's flushed. Or actual soil, you actually could see the nutrients. If there were no nutrients, you really wouldn't have a color. And then in high ground, we call high ground or brown soil, grow your corn, your beans, and all that grains on. Holds a lot of
So after this is turned over, something else will come in here, like radishes or green onions.
Primarily, we are done planting leaves somewhere around 15th, 17th of August. Now, some more than others, I'll take constant tests, but your richest ground is the black mud. And that was just because it was like a pit or a swamp, and all your vegetation year after year just. Now, if something were to happen like the glaciers and to cover all this with soil over the next couple thousand years, this would all turn into coal. The biggest thing I get is everyone says it has so much flavor and it's just so tender. And they never had lettuce so tender. Right? The biggest thing is it's soil, not sand. And it's local. I know one of the reasons people like California so much is it is sand. So when you cut open your lettuce, you might see a little bit of sand. Or you might not. Sand's hard to see. Now with black soil, you cut it open, you don't see it. I appreciate y'all coming out. Like I said, the biggest thing that makes us unique is our wells. Always having that access to fresh water. I don't know why California gets the hype they get, especially when any animal can crawl into a ditch and die. And then you're going to irrigate out of it. So when you do hear of that case, salmonella or whatever, that's usually what comes. And then 9 times out of 10, that'll be extra. And it always stays loose. That's another. Where a lot of ground gets packed and more it rains, more it gets packed, the muck never gets packed. In fact, when we work it, we have to pack it. We'll take and run a huge roller across it. It's about 12 foot long. We'll pull with a tractor, and they'll roll that whole field where it's just as flat as a parking lot. Then they'll plant. Otherwise, it's just too loose, powder.